Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the .exe has stopped working or Windows Explorer has stopped working error in Windows 2026. So the simple solutions works for the crashes, freezing apps or Explorer restarting again and again. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step 1, you need to restart your Windows Explorer. For that, you can either press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key in order to launch the task manager. You can also click on the task manager here. When you right click on it, you will see the option of task manager option. When you click on it, you will come here inside your task manager. Over here, from the given processes, you just have to look for the Windows Explorer. Once you are able to find the Windows Explorer, simply right click on it and then click on the option of restart. So this is going to refresh the entire desktop, the taskbar and the file system without rebooting your PC. In our second step, you just have to run your file checker as CMD. For that, click on the search icon here in the bottom. After that, simply look for the option of command prompt. Over here, you just have to type this command that is going to be something like this. So first you need to type sfc \scan now, and this command is going to repair the corrupted system files that actually causes the .exe crashes and Windows Explorer failure. After that, in the CMD itself, you just have to type the second command, which is dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. So this particular command is going to fix the deeper Windows system errors that lead to the programs or the Explorer stopping unexpectedly. You can also press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you just have to give it a command that is called %temp%. When you hit OK, you will see this type of file in front of you. Over here, you just have to look for the old corrupted cache files that causes .exe programs and Explorer to crash. So you just have to delete them from here. And after following these steps, you will be able to fix this error very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.